Digestive health is something many of us take for granted until discomfort strikes. Whether it's the occasional bout of indigestion after a heavy meal, persistent bloating, or persistent stomach discomfort, digestive issues are far more common than you might think. In fact, over 60 million Americans experience some form of digestive distress every single year. With so many searching for gentle, natural remedies to ease these symptoms, it's no wonder that tea has become a popular, time-tested solution for supporting gut health. Today, we'll explore the world of teas that can soothe your stomach, promote better digestion, and help you feel your best. Let's begin by understanding why tea has been used for centuries as a digestive aid. Tea is more than just a comforting beverage. It's a natural powerhouse of botanicals, many of which have properties that relax the digestive tract, reduce inflammation, and even stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. By incorporating the right teas into your daily routine, you can harness nature's wisdom to support your digestive system, one cup at a time. First on our list is peppermint tea, a classic remedy for digestive woes. Peppermint, with its cool, refreshing flavor, contains menthol, a compound known for its antispasmodic properties. When you sip peppermint tea, the menthol helps relax the muscles of your gastrointestinal tract, which can ease cramps, reduce bloating, and relieve the discomfort of indigestion. Research has shown that peppermint tea may be particularly effective for those suffering from irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, as it can calm the spasms that often accompany this condition. Many people find that a warm cup of peppermint tea after a meal acts as a gentle tonic, helping the digestive process move along more comfortably. Next, let's talk about ginger tea, another superstar in the world of digestive health. Ginger has long been prized in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and carminative properties, which means it can help to reduce gas and calm the stomach. Ginger tea works by stimulating saliva and bile production, both of which are essential for breaking down food efficiently. Studies have found that ginger can speed up gastric emptying, meaning it helps move food from the stomach to the intestines more quickly, reducing the feeling of fullness and discomfort. Whether you are struggling with nausea, morning sickness, or simple indigestion, a cup of ginger tea can bring fast, soothing relief. Chamomile tea deserves a special mention for its calming effects, not just on the mind, but on the digestive system as well. Chamomile contains natural compounds like bisabolol and apigenin, which have been shown to relax the smooth muscles of the intestines and encourage healthy digestion. Chamomile tea can be especially helpful for those whose digestive issues are linked to stress or anxiety. By reducing inflammation and soothing the gut lining, chamomile makes it easier for your body to process food without discomfort. It also promotes restful sleep, which is crucial for overall digestive health. Fennel tea rounds out our list of top picks for digestive wellness. Fennel seeds have a slightly sweet, licorice-like flavor and have been used for centuries to address a variety of digestive complaints. Fennel tea works as a natural antispasmodic, helping to relieve bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. It also contains compounds that stimulate the secretion of digestive juices, which can improve nutrient absorption and reduce the chances of indigestion. For those who struggle with flatulence or a heavy feeling after meals, fennel tea offers gentle, effective support. Now that we've explored these 4 powerhouse teas, you might be wondering, which one is the absolute best for digestive health? While every person's body is unique, research and testimonials suggest that peppermint tea stands out as the top choice for digestive support. A study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology found that peppermint oil, the active ingredient in peppermint tea, significantly reduced symptoms of IBS and improved quality of life for patients. Many people report that peppermint tea quickly soothes stomach discomfort, relieves bloating, and helps them feel lighter after meals. Its pleasant taste and gentle action make it an easy addition to any daily routine. So, to recap, let's remember the key teas we've discussed and their unique benefits for digestive health. Peppermint tea relaxes the digestive tract, eases cramps, and reduces bloating, making it a top choice for many. Ginger tea speeds up digestion, reduces nausea, and calms the stomach, making it perfect for those who need a little extra support after a heavy meal or during times of illness. Chamomile tea not only relaxes the mind but also soothes the gut, reducing inflammation and encouraging proper digestion, especially when stress is a contributing factor. And fennel tea helps to relieve bloating and gas, gently stimulating the digestive system to work more efficiently. Incorporating these teas into your routine doesn't just help with occasional digestive upset, it can also support long-term gut health. Choose a tea that suits your needs and preferences, and experiment with timing. Some people find that drinking tea after meals brings the best results, while others benefit from a calming cup before bed. Remember, consistency is key. By making herbal teas a regular part of your lifestyle, you'll be giving your digestive system the gentle, natural support it needs to thrive. When choosing your tea, opt for high-quality, organic sources whenever possible to ensure you're getting the full benefit of these powerful botanicals. And as always, if you have a chronic digestive condition or are taking medication, consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or supplement routine. Thank you for exploring the best teas for digestive health with us today. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about natural wellness, be sure to subscribe to the channel. There's a whole world of remedies, tips, and inspiration waiting to help you live your healthiest, happiest life. Here's to your digestive wellness, one soothing cup at a time.